Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda and I'm going to be walking you through how to work with order of operations. What we need to know here is there is a specific order that we need to take care of these operations. Operations meaning multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, and so forth. So let's take care of what we have here on screen. We can see that I have PEMDAS written nice and big here at the top. And you can see that PEMDAS, I'm sure, looks very familiar to you. We've probably known it as Please Excuse My Dear Aunt Sally. What does the P actually mean? The P stands for parentheses, which means anytime you have an algebraic expression with parentheses, you want to definitely start with your parentheses first. If you see some exponents, that's what's going next, all right? That's what our E stands for. Then we have multiplication and division. We always take care of those from left to right. Next is our addition and subtraction. Those are also done from left to right. All right, let's go ahead and get started with a few questions. We have 5 minus 2 to the third power divided by 3. All right, so we do see some parentheses here. I see 5 minus 2, which of course will give us 3. I'm going to go ahead and rewrite this. This is going to become 3 cubed, and then this is going to be 3 cubed divided by 3. Next in line here is our exponents, right? So we have 3 to the power of 3, which gives us 27, by the way. And so we just have 27 then divided by 3. Now, of course, 27 divided by 3 just becomes 9, which means that the answer here will be 9. Now, of course, doing this in any other operation order will change up your answer here. So this is why it's so important to follow this specific order of operations. All right, and I know you've heard that time and time again. All right, let's take care of this next question just so you can see something with a fraction. We have 2 to the fourth power minus 6 divided by 5. And so I don't see anything with parentheses, but there is an exponent in the numerator. So we're going to start with that. We have 2 to the power of 4, which is 16. And this is going to be 16 minus 6 over 5. We'll start by rewriting it. 16 minus 6 is, of course, 10. And then this ends up giving us 10 over 5. Now remember, anytime you have a fraction, it just means division. So 10 divided by 5 ends up becoming 2. And that is that. Okay, so this is how you work with order of operations. And also with order of operations, sometimes you get a little bit of evaluating some expressions, which means when you have to plug in some values of variables. I'm going to go ahead and put another video here on evaluating expressions. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it was helpful for you.